Hi doctor. How are you? I came with my wife to see you.
Good day, doctor. There is this question we want to ask you, doctor. Is instant noodles good for us and our children?
Instant noodles is fast becoming a staple food or a common food in most Nigerian homes, especially for young couples or young families where both parents, the father and the mother, are both working. So they now rely heavily on instant noodles for their kids and for themselves too. So I am not going to tell you not to eat instant noodles or to eat instant noodles. However, I'm going to tell you everything about instant noodles. Then you can now decide whether it's good for you or not. So the first thing is that instant noodles are very easy to prepare, which makes it a very ideal food for most families where the parents are very busy. Another thing is that they can be cheap relatively, so why not? And the third thing is that instant noodles provide you with a good source of carbohydrates, which is the primary source of fuel in the body. However, the carbohydrate is refined carbohydrate, and there is less, or there is almost zero fiber in the instant noodles, which will cause for a spike in glucose level once it's eaten, and then the spike in glucose level will cause for a production of high amount of insulin. Now over time, the increase in insulin production will cause for resistance in insulin, which is insulin resistance, and what will result is diabetes. Finally, instant noodles is known to contain trans fat. Trans fat causes for inflammation and damages, especially to blood vessels. And when there is inflammation to blood vessels, atherosclerosis and plaques are formed, and these atherosclerosis and plaque that are formed will reduce the diameter of the blood vessels. A reduction in the diameter of the blood vessels will cause for an increase in blood pressure, causing for hypertension, and of course hypertension can lead to cardiovascular accidents such as stroke, kidney scarring or kidney failures, heart failures, and other health issues. Also, it is very bad for the heart because trans fat causes for production of LDL, low density lipoproteins, which is the bad cholesterol, and bad cholesterol can cause for heart failures and heart attacks. Trans fats has been linked to cause Alzheimer's disease, as diabetes, stroke, and a whole lot of other health and metabolic diseases. So I'm not saying don't eat instant noodles. However, moderation is very important in things we do. If we can just at least once in a month or twice in a month, we can eat instant noodles just to fulfill our cravings and all that. But on a normal, we shouldn't be eating instant noodles. That's my opinion. You can make your comment. Thank you for listening. Please join me in my community. Click on the link to join my YouTube channel and my Facebook channel, and also on Instagram and Twitter handle.